What's going on, everyone? Today I'm doing a deep dive on one accessory I wanted to show you for a while now. It's the Tlyard Temai 16-liter built-in fridge for the Model Y. This isn't a cooler toss in the trunk, it's a compressor fridge that actually lives inside the sub-trunk cavity. So I wanted to show you the full install, walk you through what it actually can do, and give you my honest take. While it's at a higher price, be sure to use the coupon in this video description to bring the price down quite a bit. The 16-liter built-in fridge, and it's made to fit directly in the sub-trunk space for the Model Y Juniper, the older 2020 to 2025 body styles, and even the new 2026 standard Model Y. Just know up front, if you have the 7-seater Model Y, this one's not compatible, so double check before you buy it. What makes this different from the plug-in cooler is the compressor. It's a real refrigeration, not a thermoelectric plate, and it actually pulls down the temperature to about 21 degrees Fahrenheit. Capacity wise, you're looking at about 16 liters, which is roughly 19 standard 12-ounce cans, or a solid mix of snacks and a couple meal prep containers if that's more your speed. Looking at the box are the parts for the fridge itself, the instruction manual, and a couple shelving units that fit inside the fridge. Control wise, you have two options. There's a physical knob right on the unit if you just want to twist it and go, or you can run the whole thing from Temai's app. Set your target temperature, schedule it, get notifications all from your phone. Now for the install, this is rated as a beginner friendly, no wire splices, no tools required to hook up power. It's a plug and play connector into the point already in the sub-trunk compartment. The tricky part is getting these two pins to line up with both parts of the fridge. I'm going to show you an example right here how they will go in, as they will connect to the bottom portion of the fridge. So first you want to place the bottom bucket of the fridge in first. You may need to place it at an angle to set it in place. Then place the main fridge unit on top first by plugging in the unit to the tests on the back. Once connected, slowly slide on top over the portion of the bottom bucket, as the back part should click into place. Now take these two pins I mentioned earlier and place them into the appropriate holes, and then you're going to turn and lock them into place so both the bottom bucket and the top are connected. And this cover bracket just goes on top. It's a magnetic clip. Now that's it for the install. To turn it on, just push down the main scroll wheel until it's turned on, and then to turn it off, just hold it down again for 3 seconds. To adjust the temperature, it does not get any easier. Just turn to the right to increase or left to decrease the temperature. The app is very friendly and can be easily controlled on the go without having to physically touch the fridge. Now over the 20-minute time lapse, the unit went from 73 degrees down to 37 degrees, which I was quite impressed by the ability to cool so quickly. For me, this is one of those accessories that turns dead space into something genuinely useful, say road trips, camping, keeping drinks cold on a hot day, or just not having to worry about smaller groceries getting warm on a drive home. Now if you're wanting something with a little more space, this 35 liter is also available for the sub-trunk for your Tesla Model Y. It fits the base perfectly and is also app controlled and can be plugged into the side of the Tesla. It also comes with a standard 120 volt plug too, should you want this to be used inside your home. They have really thought of every square usage of the Tesla when it comes to refrigeration. Either way, I'll have both item links down below the video along with a coupon code at checkout. Again, be sure to use the coupon code and do not pay full price for these items. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to comment down below. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one.